Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Kieno Thomas, and today we're going to talk about conversions demystified. Conversions demystified, and this is going to be the first installment of a couple. So, conversions. So, first of all, when we are talking about conversions, we are going to, let's get this right, come up with our memory, and it is King Henry died by drinking, I'm going to abbreviate, chocolate milk. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. And I'm giving you that because if we take away the actual words, this helps us come up with a certain chart. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. So, the first one is a kilogram, kiloliter, kilometer, or kilometer. The H is hecto. The D is deca. The B is base. The D is deci. The C is centi. And the M is milli. So basically, we would just put in a K, H, okay, let's pull that out a little bit. Alright, so King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Kilo, hecto, deca, base, which I'll get to that in a minute. Deci, centi, milli. So now the base is basically just the base, or the main unit, liter, meter, gram. Okay, so we can have a kiloliter, kilometer, or kilogram, hectoliter, hectometer, hectogram, decaliter, decameter, decagram, deciliter, decimeter, decigram, centiliter, centimeter, centigram, milliliter, millimeter, milligram. Okay, so the base will fall in the middle. So for conversion, these are going to represent decimal spaces, or places, I should say. Alright. So, let's do a conversion. Let's say we want to change 36.52 milligrams to grams. So the first thing we do is we watch our decimal place. We see where it is, 36.52. And we're in milligrams. And we want to come back to grams. So the decimal place must move out of milligrams into grams, the base. So the decimal must move 1, 2, 3 spaces. So if the decimal moves 1, 2, 3 spaces from milligrams to grams, I'm just gonna use a little real estate over here. 3, 6, 5, 2. Now this is where the decimal is. So 1, 2, 3. So now our answer becomes 0.03652. Okay. Let's say we have 14.72 kilograms. And we want to move to milligrams. So we have a lot of space to move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we move from kilo to hecto to deca to base to deci, centi, milli. So the decimal place must move this many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in that direction. So 14.72. And what I would do is just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then we wind up with 14,720,000 milligrams. See how that is? Let's try another one. We're going to deal with hectos a lot. Let's try hecto. Okay, we're going to, and you have to be careful because this is deca is DA. So decagram will be DA decagram as opposed to a decigram. So we have to watch that. And I'll put the little K, H, D, A, D, this is a C, and this is an M. Those are just little prefixes we use. Alright, let's see if I can't get a little bit of, try not to knock that boat so much and get a little bit more real estate to work with here. And we do. We got it. Great. That's good. 0.134 meters going to kilometers. So meters is the base unit, and what I'll do is I'll put L, M, and G. So 0.134 meters to kilometers or kilometers. Okay, the decimal has to move 1, 2, 3 places. 1, 2, 3 places. So answer becomes 0.0000134 kilometers. .25 millimeters. We're going to change to centimeters. Millimeters to centimeters, we only need to move over 1 decimal spot. So our answer is 0.525 centimeters. Okay, I will do 3 more, and I think you guys will have the gist of it. Let's say we have 0.00049 kilometers, and we want to change the units to millimeters. We got to go all the way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 490 millimeters will be our answer. Then 0.025 kilograms, and we're going to change this to grams. The gram is the base unit, so 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 25 grams. And last but not least, 15 grams. Oop, spell Kieno. 15 grams, and we're going to change to hectograms. Gram is the base unit, 1, 2 places, so it'd be 0.15 hectograms. Okay, so we got our chart by just the memory aid: king, kilometers, Henry, hecto, died, deca, by, base, drinking, deci, chocolate, centi, milk. Millimeters, that is right. And memory aid: king, Henry, died by, drinking, chocolate, milk. And it gives us the 3 units on the left of the base side and 3 units to the right of the base side. Kilo, hecto, deca, base, which is the main unit, which would be a liter, meter, or gram, and then everything on the outside of the base gives it its prefix. If we were talking about liters: kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. If it was a meter: kilometer or kilometer, hectometer, decameter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. If it was gram: kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. Okay, so we recapped. I'd like to thank you for watching the first installment of Conversions Demystified. Thanks for watching.